Egor local government chairman, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don swear in secretary to Egor local government, supervisory councilor and special advisers wey go join body with her to bring ogbonge development come Egor local government area.
With the power invested in me as the executive chairman of Egor local government, I now swear you in as special advisor to Egor local government, secretary to the local government, which is the SLG, and the supervisory councilors for the local government. Congratulations.
Honorable Eghe talk say their duty as political appointee na to add value to the local government and say make anybody no think say na money dem dey come make for the local government as them get a lot of work. And say as special advisers, them get role to play as some of them they think say she no need advice because she be 2 times chairman, but say no be true as she need advice because nobody dey perfect. She come assign them to their portfolio.
I call the local government the heartbeat of Edo State. God dwells here first before it goes to other local governments. Whatever that happens in Edo State happens first in the local government before they hear it in other local governments. That's what makes a local government a very unique local government. I want to welcome you on board as a political appointees. Your duties as a political appointees is to add value to the local government, add value to your job, and to join in giving that dividends of democracy to the people of your local government. It's not all about coming to make money in Egor. If you are coming here to think about you're coming to make money the way they think it is, I'm sorry. Here we work, we deliver, we make sure that our people feel that dividends of democracy. When she was reading your duties as a special advisor, you laughed. And you said, what kind of advice are you going to give to me?
As a 2-time chairman.
See, when they said, see, as a special advisor, yeah, there are a lot of ways you can advise. See, 2-time chairman or no 2-time chairman, nobody is perfect. Do you understand? We all learn every day. If anybody tells you they are perfect, no, it's a lie.
Perfection is not.
So we all learn every day. And like me, I am ready to learn. And working with me, we all understand my style of working. It's all about working and working and working. So as a supervisor, like she said, political heads of a department, it means that you are not the head of a particular department, which you portfolio that is going to be given to you. So whatever things that you need to do in your department, or what they are doing in your department, you all work together to make sure things are done right. But one thing you have to understand, for you to succeed, you must work and cooperate with the civil servants because they've been here before you. And I don't like discrimination. I don't like people telling me they are superior. To me, everybody is the same. So we are all equal. So what we need to do is to work. We were elected by our people, and now we have been appointed at the same time to serve the people. So I'm going to announce the portfolios of each of the supervisory councilors, where each and one of you is going to be heading. Michael Agbekan, your portfolio that you have been assigned to today is the Department of Health and Environment. Mr. Godwin Osawumese, your portfolio is Youth and Sports. Miss Queen, your portfolio is Education. Edame, how are you? You are going to be Works. Mr. Izuliase, Agric. So you all know your department now and your portfolio.
Ekpen Odemwingie, wey talk on behalf of the newly appointees, come talk say belle sweet them for the appointment and say them go join body with Egor chairman to move the local government to the next level.
On behalf of all the other appointees councilors, the supervisors, and the special advisor. We want to thank you for our swearing and declaration today, and we are committed to do our best to see that this administration succeeds beyond even our imagination, and we are ready to commit time, effort, and intellect to ensure that this happens. We are very grateful to the leadership of the council, the order, our party chairman, our vice chairman, and our legislative arm for the effortless and seamless screening we had today. Thank you so much on behalf of the team. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.